ladies and gentlemen, so today we're going to talk about and review some of our rules for exponents, and we're going to add in a new one. And the new one is that it's a definition, and for any positive number x, we define x to the 0 equals 1. All right, well, what does that mean? It means any number with an exponent of 0 equals 1. Always. And we're going to talk about it, right? So if I take here, and I'm going to use some of my rules for division and multiplication and stuff. So we know that here I have to take and subtract my exponents, 5 minus 5. So this is going to be 4 to the 0. Well, I also know anything divided by itself is always 1. So 4 to the 0 equals 1. Here I have, right, if I put this over 1, again, I can do, this is 9 to the 15th over 9 to the 15th. Subtract your exponents, 9 to the 0, which is 1. So lots of different ways that you can get there. Here's one just like example A, but now I have a variable in here, but it's still y to the 0, 12 minus 12, which is 1. Here I have, if I kind of put these together, I'm going to have, if I do my multiplying, my numerators first, I'm going to have 2 squared times 2 to the 5th, which is 2 to the 7th. On the bottom, in my denominator, I have 2 to the 7th as well. 7 minus 7 is 0. Anything to the 0 power is 1. There's more than one way you could have done that one. Here's one. I'm going to subtract. This time I get 7 to the 3rd. So we threw in one from before. Here, right, I can do my cross canceling. These cancel to 1. These cancel to 1. And you're going to get 1. It would have been, if I had subtracted my exponents, x to the 0, y to the 0. Over here, I have a 0 on the outside, right? So this is where I have to go through and multiply my exponents. So I'm going to have this whole thing, I'm going to have 7 to the 0, and this whole big thing to the 0. I'm just going to draw an arrow. To the 0 power, 1 times 1, which is 1. 4 to the 10th divided by 4 to the 10th is 4 to the 0 times 7 to the 0 is 1. Okay, write the expanded form, of 8,374 using exponential notation. So this is a little bit different. We haven't quite done this yet, but it's going to get us into where we need to go next. So this is in the thousandths spot. Well, the thousandths is 10 to the 3rd power, because 1,000 is 10 times 10 times 10, which is 10 to the 3rd. So I would write that as 8 times 10 to the 3rd. Okay, well, the hundredths spot plus 3 hundredths, hundreds is 10 to the 2nd, plus, for the tens, we have 7 times 10 to the 1st, plus 4 times 10 to the 0, because that's in the 1 spot. So that's all that's asking you to do. And again, we're going to be using that more a little bit later. So here I have 6 million. So 6 million is 10 to the 6th, plus 9 times 10 to the 5th, plus 8 times 10 to the 4th, plus 5 times 10 to the 3rd, plus 7 times 10 to the 2nd, plus 6 times 10 to the 1st, plus 2 times 10 to the 0. All right, so again, that's just, we're going to be using that a little bit later on, but that is expanded form, right? 6 million plus 900,000 plus 80,000 plus 5,000 plus 700 plus 60 plus 2 is what that's telling me. So, any questions? Right? But the biggest thing, sorry, before I do that, the biggest thing is right here. Right? Put a box around it, star it a few times. Any number that has an exponent of 0 equals 1. All right, any questions? Bring them to class. Have a good night, guys.